Hi, this is Courtney, your Lexis research attorney. Wanted to take a couple minutes to show you some of the Indian law or Native American law resources on Lexis. So starting on Lexis Plus, we can explore by practice area, and it may appear as if there aren't a lot of Indian law or Native American law resources. However, they are a bit hidden, unfortunately, under practice centers. So this is if you don't know exactly where you want to go. You could always go in specifically by the title of a secondary source or go straight to those tribal courts. But if you're just looking to explore the content, go under the Lexis Practice Centers, scroll down, and you will see a Native American practice area or industry. When you open that up, then you have a practice center geared towards everything Native American or Indian law. So you're going to see some of the pre-filtered cases, statutes, and regulations. You're also going to have direct access to those tribal courts, those tribal codes down here below under the tribal sources. And then under secondary sources, you're going to find this Cohen's Handbook of Federal Indian Law. This is actually one of the key treatises on federal Indian law. It's cited by the court more often than any other treatise on Indian law. So if you open this up, you're going to see you can drill down by the different chapters. You can search across the whole thing, or if this is something that you're doing on a regular basis, you're definitely going to want to make this a favorite. So you can click on this Save to Favorites, and then it will automatically show up on your search page at the start of Lexis Plus. I'll show you that in a second, but I want to show you one more thing on this practice center. You're also going to have, well, here I added it to your favorites pod that's here on your practice center. But also over on the right, we have this Law 360 news ticker. So this is going to show you any of the key issues that are coming down, anything that's newsworthy, anything that people are discussing. And then you see another Mealy's Native American Law Report pod down below. So it's a really great place to go to just stay in the know, to have those educated conversations, to know what's coming down affecting this particular practice area. You can also dive in deeper by these key topics. So this is similar to a digest system. If you wanted to learn more about the Indian Child Welfare Act, you could quickly run a search and get all the documents related to that. Additionally, if this was something you were doing on a frequent basis, you can select this home icon at the top of the page that makes this Native American Practice Center your start page, so that that's exactly where you see when you go there. And I'm going to show you where those favorites end up back on the home page. So if you're not in that practice center, you could also get back to those favorites. Like we added Cohen's as a favorite right here from the star from the search box. So I hope that was helpful. Just know we have a ton of Native American or Indian law resources, even though they're not immediately visible from this practice area. Go down a little bit further to these practice centers, and then you'll find that Native American Practice Center within that. If you ever need help finding anything, I am always here to help. Thank you.